Hello guys, welcome to the new session Maths with Mallesh, and today we are going to discuss squares from 1 to 1000. And I think from 1 to 100 every student knows how to find the squares of 1 to 100 in easy method. Every student knows. And if you don't know, please let me know in the comment section. If you want that video also, I am going to explain it. And today we are going to concentrate mainly on the 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 1000. We are going to solve from the 100 to the 1000, and we are going to solve two types. This is type A and this is type B. If you understood all examples, then only you are going to complete 1 to 1000 squares. And type A will be under the 1 to 50, like 3, 9, 24, 46. These are 50 below, and these are 50 above. 98, 93, 72, 52. These are 50 above and these are 50 below. And by the end of the session, after completion of 8 problems, I am assuring you, you are going to solve each and every square just in 3 seconds. So without making delay, let's get into the topic. See, first number 203. So 203, it is very closer to the 200. First step. And from 200, how much extra it is there? Plus 3. Very first thing, you have to write closest 100 number 200, and how much extra is there? Positive 3. So now the first step is take the original number, add this value. Now how much you will get? 206. This is the very first step you have to do while finding the square of any number from the 1 to 1000. So 206 came. Now the next step is multiply with the 2. Why we are multiplying with the 2? Because here base is 200. If base is 200, you have to multiply with the 2. And if his base is 300, you have to multiply with the 3. If base is 400, you have to multiply with the 4. So 206 into 412. Clear? 412 completed. Now after 412, you have to write this difference square. This difference square, how much? 3 square is equals to 9. So 9 as it is you have to write here, then answer completed. But the thing is 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, and 3 square 9, and 4 square 16. If 2 digit number is there, you can write as it is directly. But if 1 digit number is there, you have to add 0. You have to add 0. So here what is there? Difference 3 square, and the 3 square value 9, and it's not 9, it's going to be 09. So 203 square is equals to 41209. If you have any doubt, you can open calculator and you can find the value of 203 square. Definitely you are going to get 41209. And moving on to the next question, it's going to be 309 square. So moving on to the next question, 309 square. What is the base of 309 square? Of course it is a 300, right? And how much extra it is there? It is there extra positive 9. Clear? From the 300, how much extra it is there? 9. So what you have to do, first of all, take 309 and add again 9. And how much you are going to get? 318. This is the first step. And there is no need to do this much thing. You can do these things in your mind. So 309 is there. Take 9, double it and add to itself 318. Now the next step is multiply with the 3. Multiply with the 3 because 300 is the base. So multiply with the 3. 300 plus 54, 954. Clear? 954. Now what is the difference here? 9. What is 9 square? 81. 9 square is equals to 81. So 2 digit number is there, you can write as it is 81 here. So 309 square value 95481 without no doubt. So next question, it's going to be a 3 digit square. Like suppose if 22 square, what is the value of 22 square? 484. So if 3 digit number is there, how to replace? And if 4 digit number is there, how to replace? So model will change slowly. So concentrate here and listen carefully, and don't skip the video till the last. Next question, 424 square. Now I will explain you little bit slowly. See, 424 is there, so base is 400. Clear? And how much extra it is there? It is there plus 24. From the 400, how much extra is there? Plus 24. So what is the first step? 424 plus 24. I think it's going to be 844. 448. Now 448 multiply with the 4. Multiply with the 4 because base is 400. So multiply with the 4. 4 8s are 32. 3 carry. 4 4s are 16. 9 1 carry. 17. So how much we got? 1792. It's clear for you. Now first step, add 24 to itself and multiply with the 4. 2 steps completed. Now the final step is 24 is there. 24 square is equals to 576. 576. We know if you got one digit number, write as a 01 or 04 or 09. And if you got two digit number, you can keep as it is. If you got 3 digit number, the first number should occupy here, exactly this place. Clear? When if you got 3 digit number, so 6, 7, 2 plus 5, 7 and 9 and 7 and 1. So the answer is going to be 179776. If you have any doubt, please check in a calculator. And moving on to the last question of type 1. Type 1 in the sense 1 to 50 values, and the next type 50 to 100 values. So the next question is 546 square. So simple, base is equals to 500. And how much extra is there? It is going to be plus 46. The first thing is take 546, again add 46. 295. How much we got? 592. Now what we have to do? Multiply with the 5. Multiply with the 5 because base is 500. Clear, students? Base is 500, multiply with the 5. 5 2s are 10 and 1 carry. 45 plus 1, 46, 4 carry, 29. So it's going to be 2960. Now, how much extra it is there? 46. So 46 square value 2116. 2116. 40 to 50 square and 50 to 60 square, how to find in a fraction of seconds, we already uploaded in our channel. You can go through that videos. And if you want to check it, check in a playlist. So 46 square is equals to 2116. So if you observe 2116, how many digits? 4 digits we got. How many digits we got? 4 digits. So in this case 2116. 2116. So the first 2 numbers will go little bit front. So 2116. This will occupy here and this will occupy here. 4 digit number, 2 front and 2 back. 61182. So 6118. So 546 square is going to be 298116. I hope you enjoyed this part 1 and moving on to the part 2, which is from the 50 to 100 base. Now we are going into the type 2, 51 to 100 base. 51 to 100. So the first example is 998 square. So for this I am taking base as a 1000. Base as a 1000. Base is equals to 1000. And if you observe, from the 1000 it is 2 less. 2 less. And first type it is above. Now the type 2 is it is below. So for the 1000 it is going to be minus 2. Clear for you? So the first step is take 998 and subtract 2. Subtract 2, and before examples we did positive, and this example we have to do subtraction. So it's going to be 996. Clear? And the next step is base 100,000. So multiply with the 10. So if you multiply with the 10, it's going to be 9960. Clear? So how much less is there? 2 from the 1000. So subtract 2, 996, and multiply with the base value 10, 9960. And 2 square, what is 2 square value? 4, and we should not write 4, we have to write as a 04. 996,004 will be the square of 998 square. Clear? Moving on to the next example. So next example I am going to take 893. For this I am taking 900 as a base. So for the 900, how much less it is? It's going to be minus 7. Clear? From the 900, 893 is 7 less. So from 893, subtract 7, 13 minus 7, 6, 8, 8. Check 8, 8, 6, perfect. Now multiply with the 9 times because base is 900. Clear? 9, 6 are 54, 5 carry, 8, 72 plus 5, 72 plus 5, 77, 7 carry, again 72 plus 7, 79. Once check, 9, 6 are 54, 5 carry, and 8 are 72, 72 plus 5, 77, and 7 carry, 9, 8 are 72, correct. So 7974. And after this what we have to do? Take this 7 square and write here. What is 7 square value? It's going to be 49. This is the answer of 893 square. It's very easy. And with the last 2 examples we are going to end this session. And if you like this session, please subscribe to my channel. Again I am repeating, we are doing so much of hard work for you guys, and we need just a support. We need a moral support from you guys. So for that purpose I need your subscription and your like and your comment which videos you want in a future. So moving on to the next example, please. 772. So I am taking base as a 800. From the 800, how much less it is? From the 800, how much less it is? I think 28. Negative 28. So first step, from the 772, subtract 28. And this thing you have to do in a mind. 12 minus 8, 4, and 6 minus 2, 4, 7. 744. After 744, multiply with the 8 times because base is 800. So 7, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 35. Again 8 7s are 56 plus 3, it's going to be 59. So the answer is 59 and 52. Clear? Now the take 28 square. What is 28 square value? What is 28 square value? It's going to be 784. So shall we write 784 here? No. 7 will come to the down of 8 2. 784. 4, 8, 9 and 5 and 9 and 5. This is the answer of 772 square. 595984. And the last example is 652. For you guys, you do and comment your answer. And again I am repeating, by listening this video you are not going to get anything. You have to do practice of minimum 50 to 100 squares on a daily basis of 5 questions on each day. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you like this session, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get every notification and share with your friends. Jai Hind.